Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to find out what's taking up space on your hard drive using a tool called MiniTool Partition Wizard Free. So there's a free version, then they have a pay-for version which is a subscription-based, which has a lot more capabilities. So with the free one you could do simple things, so, create partitions, manage partitions, that kind of thing. And you could actually try out some of the other features like the data recovery. You could have it scan for missing or deleted files, but you can't recover them though. You could do like a disk benchmark and so on. But we're going to do the space analyzer to see what's taking up space. So we're going to pick our C drive, because that's our only one on here with information, and click on scan. So this might take some time depending on how big your drive is. So this is quick because I've already done the scan on this computer. Otherwise you'd have to wait for it. So there's three different views here. You got your tree view, your file view, and your folder view. So in the tree view, you could sort, big to small, that kind of thing, and items and so on, files, folders, which one has the big and most amount of files or folders, and percentage and so on. So we're going to go big to small, so you can see our Windows folder has the most amount of space taken, 19.2 gigabytes, and here's how many items, files, and folders. And you can kind of expand and see which subfolders are taking up what amount of space. And then see the next level down, users, which users are taking up space. So this Todd S is taking up more space than anybody else here, and so on down the line. Then you can go to File View, which will show you what files on the computer are taking up the space. So if we sort, the biggest file here is the page file, 512 megabytes, using 1.33% of the total drive space, and the last change of that file was actually 11/11/2022. It looks like that's in the future, so I'm not sure why that has that date. And so here's the second largest file and so on. And if you right click on it, you could open it, delete it, check the properties, that type of thing. So there's the file view, and you could also search it too for filters if you want to match the file name only or match the path and so on. And finally, we have the folder view, which is similar to the tree view, except it doesn't show, you can't break it down into levels there, so it's just the folders itself. So the Windows folder there, 51% of the drive, 19.2 gigabytes again. Last change today. And once again, you could sort, and then you could show this, click on the Show Last Level Directories to kind of get an expansion here. More of a breakdown, that kind of thing. So once again, it's a pretty cool tool, and it's free. And it has some other options you might want to play with, like you could use the disk benchmark if you want to test your disk speed and that kind of thing. And then pretty much the partition management is one of the other things you could use as well. Then you'll have your options up here. Some things you could use, some things you can't. But we were just demonstrating the space analyzer for this video. So if you want an easy and free way to see what's using up space on your hard drive, give it a shot. I'll put a link in the description so you could download it and try it out for yourself. And when you do download it, it's going to ask you if you want to try out the Pro version for a trial. So it's up to you if you want to do that. I'm not sure if it's going to ask for a credit card or if it's just going to let you download it. So you'll find out if you decide to do that. All right. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.